Want to ignite electrifying chemistry on your next date? Dive into the secret world of Playful Connection and unlock strategies that guarantee unforgettable moments and intensified attraction. Your dating game is about to level up. Navigating the intricate dance of dating can be like walking a tightrope. Lean too much on one side and you come off as bland. Tip too far the other way and you risk looking desperate or overeager. Striking the perfect balance is an art form we've mastered, and now we're here to share it with you. Here are 8 suggestions to help bring some life and intimacy into the conversation. Number 1, engage with Trendy Conversations. Trends serve as phenomenal conversation starters. Picture this. You're relaxing at a rooftop bar, the city lights below. She's sipping on a cocktail. You lean in and say, "Did you catch that viral trend where people rate attributes? What's one thing that would instantly boost a guy's rating for you?" This isn't just a conversation starter. It's an opportunity to understand her preferences in a fun and entertaining way. Number 2, Playful Wagers in real time. Betting can be a sizzling way to up the stakes in a conversation. Imagine strolling through a park and spotting someone practicing a dance routine. Challenge her with, "Fancy a wager? If that dancer nails his next move, you owe me a dance right here." It's spontaneous, exciting, and offers a chance for a shared moment. Number 3, role reversal with a twist. In a world where traditional roles are constantly being challenged, using this to your advantage can be delightfully entertaining. When she decides where you both should eat, just, "Taking the lead? Should we swap roles for the evening? I'll pick the dessert, you pick the main course." Number 4, Jesting Observations. Dig deeper into the details. Is she wearing quirky earrings? Comment, "Those earrings look like they have a story. Were they a gift from a secret admirer or a treasure from an epic adventure?" By focusing on details, you show her you're genuinely interested and observant. If you like this video so far, a small favor. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. This small act helps spread helpful information to others. Number 5, the upgraded high five. Physical touch can intensify a connection when done right. After a shared laugh or mutual agreement, offer a high five. As your hands meet, instead of pulling away, gently trace your thumb over the back of her hand before letting go. If she looks intrigued, say, "It's just a bit of a personal twist." Adds a touch of intimacy to a casual gesture, don't you think? Number 6, empathetic listening. This goes beyond just hearing her words. When she talks about a recent challenge, lean in and say, "Sounds like it took a lot of strength to go through that. How did it make you feel?" This showcases emotional depth and genuine interest. Number 7, mysterious compliments. Instead of the usual, "You look beautiful tonight," try something more intriguing. "There's a certain energy about you this evening that I can't quite place. It's captivating." This will pique her curiosity and make her wonder what you're sensing. Number 8, shared secrets. Create an atmosphere of trust. Whisper, "Want to exchange one little known fact about each other?" This draws you two closer in a world of your own. With these enhanced strategies, not only will you boost your confidence, but you'll also create unforgettable experiences for both of you. It's not about rehearsed lines, but understanding the rhythm of interaction. So, step into this treasure trove of playful connection techniques and watch your dates transform from mundane to mesmerizing. You owe it to yourself to be the most unforgettable person she's met. If you like this video so far, a small favor. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. This small act helps spread helpful information to others. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments.